Okay, so we got another KC Tool unboxing video here. As you can see, this one's a big one, so I think I'm going to take the contents out and we'll look at them one by one. A lot of bubble wrap, packaged very well. So most of the stuff that was in this shipment are related to the Hazet Assistant Restoration. I picked up 2 of the knobs, mostly because one of them was totally cracked and destroyed, and the other one wasn't in too good a condition, so I figured pick up a couple. So I can tell that they changed the plastic here. This is it's a much softer plastic than what they were using before. And then I also picked up the mat for the top cover, which was missing, and that's what this is. And finally I picked up an entire set of casters, replacement casters. I know I probably could have restored the old ones, but they weren't in too good a shape. So let's take a quick look at these guys, see how they compare to the old ones. So the biggest difference is these are Tente casters, and they got it was like a polypropylene or rubber type wheel. So those are the locking casters. And these right here are the stationary ones. And that's good, it included the hardware for this side, but it doesn't look like they included any hardware for here, so I was going to replace those anyway, those bolts that were in there. So it looks like it's all sealed up. So you really can't take a close look at it, but I'm sure there's just some bearings in there, not much to it. Not sure the purpose of the double washers here. I guess one of them is supposed to go on this side. And here's the Tente part number. I guess you could have ordered these probably. I wasn't sure what the part number for these would be though. I think these might be. I doubt that they're custom, but there's no stamping on them to know the part number. That you can order them directly from Tente, but I think that they build to order, so if you were to order something like that, you may have to order minimum quantities or very long lead times. As you can see, these are made in Germany. Now that we got those out of the way, I think I got this t-shirt because if you order a certain amount, you get a free t-shirt. So I don't think I have this new one. This is their new logo. So it was Quality German Tools 2011. So it's a pretty good quality t-shirt. It's actually a pretty thick material for those that are asking. Made in Nicaragua. So this right here is actually a coupler for a ratchet restoration I'm doing. But hopefully I might even get that video out this week. And I'm not even sure if this is going to work. So it may end up not even using this, but so that button right there, it's actually a release for this ball bearing. So I'm not actually sure which way this is supposed to go in, but we'll figure it out. So that's just a 3/4 inch coupler used for the type of ratchets that have a keyway where you flip them over to change direction. All right, next up. Got another one of these Gedore 62P spanners. So this one is the 10-inch one. because I like the 8-inch one so much. And eventually I'm going to try to get the entire set. So let's take a look at this. It's got the same quality. This one actually seems like it has a better finish than the 8-inch one. Gedore should put made in South Africa right here. There's plenty of room for it. And I know adjustable wrenches kind of get a bad name, but tell you what, I was working on some plumbing the other day, and there were these couplings, old galvanized pipe, and basically a coupling, it has two hex nuts right on top of each other. It's used to join solid pipe together, and there was a bunch of different sizes. So if I just grabbed 2 adjustable wrenches. I was able to get them all off. So the final thing I got for you today is the Veritigo 3 system. So I was waiting to get this guy before doing a review on the entire system, because I think that there's certain models in this series that are going to be more suited for certain people of certain trades than others, and I wanted to make sure I got a full complement of the product line before I made any assumptions. This one's constructed a little bit differently than the other ones, so that's kind of interesting. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm gonna wrap it up for this one. Catch you guys next time.